this session we are going to learn how to install NetBeans 11.0. So if you see here, previously it was normal NetBeans. As you can see, netbeans.org and 8.2. After version 9, or you can say from 9, it has become Apache NetBeans. So if you go to download and install, there is no exe file. As you can see, there is only binary zip file or source file. So I have downloaded this zip file, which is present in my downloads folder, as you can see here. So I will quickly extract this file to the location from where I launch my application or launch NetBeans. So by default I put all my exe, or you can say .sh executable files to /user/local. So I am in downloads. As you can see here, I have this file. So what I will do, I will extract this to sudo unzip, and this is my NetBeans zip file name. So -d, and I will go to the user location. I have to give my password. Now if you see here, I will go to cd/user, local. Here you can see NetBeans folder. Now go to NetBeans folder. Here you can see all the files. So I have to go to the bin. Here I will get netbeans.sh. If you see this one, so I have to use this one. So what I will do, I will just launch this. So from here you can create your project and whatever you want. So let's close this. After that, what you have to do is, every time you have to just go to this directory, and then again you have to fire this command to launch the application. So what I will do for this, to resolve this issue, I will create one desktop shortcut. So to create desktop shortcut, you have to create desktop entry like this. So this you have to create in this folder, so that is application folder. So I will quickly copy this, and I will go to this folder, cd, and you can see here other shortcuts are there. So I will create my own shortcut. So as you can see, there is no NetBeans shortcut. So just go to this folder and copy this line. I will keep there. And now I have to paste this line. If you see in this line, I have given NetBeans, I have given command NetBeans IDE, and I have given the executable location, which is user local NetBeans bin and netbeans.sh, and I have given icon to this location. If you go to this location, what I will do is, I will go to this file. If you see, I am in the same location, NetBeans. If I do ls, there is no file. So what I have to do is, I have to first copy. So if you see here, I have already netbeans.png. So what I will do is sudo cp netbeans.png /user local NetBeans folder. Now if you see here, you can see netbeans.png. So now this code is correct. I will save this. If you see here, and what I will do, I will copy this to my desktop. So if you see on desktop, there is no file currently. Okay, so cp netbeans.sh to /home username desktop. Now it's there. Now try to launch this. If I click, it is showing the application launcher netbeans.desktop has not been marked as trusted. So let's cancel, go to properties, NetBeans, and click on this one, allow executing file as a program. Now close this, and now again click on this and trust and launch. Now as you can see, it's launching my application. and now window is open. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can connect me.